Hey guys, welcome back to Deadbolt with Dylan, Game Ward. Let's go down. I don't quite remember which one I was on, so I think so. The flames roar to life. Pale moonlight touch, no heat. Vampires flock. Find out why. Dancing vampires won't notice your presence unless you shoot them. Vampires, tall and dead, said to be formed by betrayal from a lover. They are much more dangerous than zombies. I'll have to make sure every shot counts. Mirrors. Look upon your reflection, said the fireplace. And remember that you are different. You are not undead. I have a brownie. Yep, this is where we were. 1,000-year-old royals. Sorry, I can't read. Night out, case 1. The vampires are running a club. Find out why. And Mountain Dew. A Reaper. Oh, and the Boogeyman too. Ha! That's me. I'm the Reaper / Boogeyman. He's coming. Mouse gun and death tax. Suppress shotgun and hammer. Let's give this a shot. Shit. This is going well. That one's coming up here. This is interesting. My safe place. You open the safe. There isn't much inside. Look, there are 2 envelopes. Envelope 1. The envelope is full of money, probably club earnings. Envelope 2. The envelope contains a date, 2 weeks from now, and an address. The address is the address of this club. It seems important. I see. I know stitches. Well, look at that, guys. I did it. I got a cassette, so let's read it. I haven't read Zombies 3 or Vampires 1, but I'm gonna read Zombies 1. And then go down the list. Click. I wake up. Cold water. Docks again. Smudges in my hands. Where am I? Roland's here. He helps. He says we leave. He says we don't have to come back to the docks again. He gives me a hit. Good hit. feel it in my tongue, my throat, in my hands, and my feet, and my ears, and I wake up. How much time? Thumping in my ear. Music? I look down. There are splinters in my hands. Roland's gone. I died again. I overdosed again. I wake up. Hands wet, feet wet, dogs again. I'm in a living room. I need more ash. Roland, I hear the music again. I hear yelling. The room fills up with cold water. I splinter, and we all overdose again. I wake up. Knock, knock. Knocking at the door. Roland. Zombie 2. Click. Only ash helps. Ash brings a bit of Jacob back to me. What happened to Jacob? I remember he died. He overdosed. My tongue feels heavy in my mouth. Talking is hard. Thinking is hard. Did Jacob pay rent? I shift the shotgun in my hand. Standing is hard. Roland says we shouldn't smoke the ash. He says we need it. He says we can leave soon. Air scuttling. I fire my gun and splatter. Jacob against the wall. Thought it was the Reaper. I'm sorry, Jacob. Thick smoke fills the room, and Jacob's red and yellow and green corpse is gone. Where's Jacob? I want to be Jacob again. Zombies 3. Click. Any day now, he says. The dredger have a plan on. Oh, what is that plan? Sorry, I can't tell you. Keep feeding your boys to the Reapers. Though, and just sit on the ash. I hope this is worth it. We're moving huge amounts of ash around and we're losing members left and right to the Reaper. Dark and Stormy said that the ash can be used for more than getting high. But man, was it hard to convince the boys. I just want to get everyone to a place where we don't need the high anymore. Somewhere where we feel more alive. We all feel like shit here. The boys don't know it, but on the day we lost Stefan, I took a bump too. We all did, but I'm trying to be strong. It's not working yet, but I'm trying to be strong. They need a leader. I hear shifting in my bed. Something woke her up. My phone is ringing. Puff? Man, Puff is always calling me for dumb shit. He gets spooked by everything. Amber speaks up. Her voice piercing in the silence. Babe, can you turn that off? I reply with a whisper. Yes, sorry, I am. Sorry. It's just Puff again. Always calling me. I lock the phone and toss it across the dark room. I look back at her pale form. At least there's some benefits from working with vampires. Still, they give me the creeps. I can't wait until it's over. Any day now. Vampire 1. It's nighttime, but it's always nighttime here. The moon never shines anymore. Not like the night I met him. Not like the night we went home. Not like my last life. The bartender knows me. I've been coming here for weeks, since the day the Bloody Mary opened. Clubs only last a few weeks at best around here. No one really knows why. A man at the bar buys me a drink. It glows like moonlight. I take a sip and I feel the warmth. I shift from one leg to the other. I don't feel like dancing tonight. I take another sip. It's a lot more bitter than I expected. The man at the bar buys me another drink. He scans me. Gaze lingering. Oh right, I almost forgot that this is how I died. Last time his hands burned where they touched. Let me forget. Please make me forget. Flames roared life. Mission, more, so many more. So many corpses who forgot to die. Intel. Shotgun weapons are strong. Your door's an inch away, so our enemies can't react until it's too late. Good to know. Too bad I already knew that. Sorry guys, I am addicted to Mountain Dew sometimes. I tried to stop a while back, but I started drinking it slowly, and then I'm back to a couple every now and again, so I need to stop again, but I don't drink coffee or anything, so sometimes I need the pick-me-up. I didn't read the mission to you guys, but I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to kill them all. Damn it. Oh, there's no way. Round 3. Come on, vampy, vampy, vampy. Fuck! Shit. Not so good, huh? Excuse me, guys. What a burp. Sorry, headphone users. Sorry, headphone users. Jesus Christ. Shit. This one's not going as good, hun. Or guys. Not playing games anymore. This isn't exactly good. There we go, guys. Lux and Tenebris. There we go. Okay, that's it, guys. I've played 2, and I think this is about an 8-10 minute episode, somewhere in that range. So, this has been Dylan at Game Ward. I've been here with Dylan of Game Ward. This is twice now, guys. And this has been deadbolt. See you in the next episode.